Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and it doesn't really matter on which mode you will be, just tap on this two dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on restore camera settings, tap on it again, and basically you did not see any difference, but trust me, we just reset camera settings and all of them are in their default state. So actually this is it. This is how to reset the camera preferences in your OPPO Reno 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.